Alright guys, so this is part 3 to this 3-part series. We did the brows initially, the first video that went up. Then we did the foundation, and then now we're going to be doing the eyes. And I didn't realize until after this video was done, like I matched all the colors. The colors on my brows, the eyeshadow, on my lid, and also on my lower lash line. Like all of them matched. So now I'm going over the areas where I baked earlier on, and I'm putting it more under my eyes, and I'm also getting it on the areas where I want to pop a little bit more. So now I'm baking as well as laying down catch powder, and catch powder is just what you lay down so that when you because some foundations do have fallout, and it also goes to show like how pigmented that foundation is, my guy. So yeah, so for some of the foundations I have eyeshadows start to have fallout, this is what I do for myself as well as my clients. Now this palette is from Sugar Daddy Morphe. It's a color palette from Morphe. I love Morphe's eyeshadow palettes, you guys. I ain't gonna cap. Them things be getting it done, honey, and that's just what it is. So I'm going in. Oh, I'm just going to adjust the camera right here. Okay, camera adjusted. Let us move on. Okay, good. And as I said, I didn't say this one. These videos are no steps skipped type of videos, so I want them to be as true as possible, isn't me, as real time, let me just say that, as real time as possible. So any like mistakes that I'm fixing, anything that I'm doing, I want it to be recorded so that you guys can get the real time of me like doing my makeup. I'm wondering why it's so dark, because when I'm recording it's like hella dark to the point where I can hardly see. You see me, so it's like, oh gosh, I hope it doesn't stay like that for the video. Come to find out that when I transfer the files here to my laptop, that darkness does not show through. It just shows me moving really weird in the video and the darkness not showing through. So I guess that's a good thing. Now, how I put my colors together, I can't even answer that where it makes sense. I just know what colors work together and I just put them together. I don't know. And I like doing stuff that's different. You see me? You hardly see somebody with a yellow brow bone or a colored brow bone rather than the traditional probably skin color brow bone or whatever. So I wanted to use yellow, and then from there I just let my creativity like take me wherever I want to go. But if you can tell, I used warm colors as well as cool colors, and usually these don't tend to go well together, but I love how I made it work and the different colors that are being pulled through and just being accentuated, sorry, just by this look. And the palette, as I said, the Morphe palette, it turned up. Oh my goodness, you guys, I have like 18 minutes left. I don't think I can talk for 18 minutes. But I don't have any music on this laptop to play for you guys, like, or to speed it up, because I don't want to speed it up. I want it to be real time. I don't know if it's obvious, but I'm adding more of the yellow right there to the front of the brow than I am on the brow bone. I hope that's obvious because it's a little bit more brighter, as you can see at the front. You see that? That's so cool. If I just had like a deeper brown, I'd have used the deeper brown right in the brown, the, what do you call it now? The outer V area. Sorry, the breeze I blow back the wardrobe door. I know when I get to fix it, I blow cleanse. Alright, I'm gonna. You guys, oh my god, you're probably not hearing it. Wow, I'm adding a lot of yellow. I'm piling on that yellow. Okay. And with the yellow mixing with the brown, making it look like burnt orange. You see that? Pretty cool. So now I go in with other color. I go in here with other color and do blending out putting the brown. Oh my god. Okay, BRB. Let me just go handle my business. Oh, this door is about to. Jesus. Okay, good. Fix it. All this on a voiceover. Crazy. I don't know what else to say to you guys. Follow me on TikTok. My name on TikTok is LyricRochester. My name on Instagram is LyricRochester. Follow me on my social media platforms. If you just search LyricRochester, there I am to make you laugh. There I am to make you smile. But yeah, putting that brown all over, yeah. Then I'm going in with green. Okay, I used green for this look. Man, I tell you, man, sometimes I just be grabbing colors. Ain't no reason. I just be grabbing them. Guys, as I'm doing this voiceover, I'm actually editing the thumbnail for the video before this and this one. This is part 3. Yeah, part 3, the final part. And let me know if you guys like these 1, 2, 3 thingies. Because, I mean, if you like them, I can have more content out for you. And I can do like 3 videos in a day. So I could record the eyebrows separately, record the eyes separately, record the foundation separately, and we'll have more content. But for me, it cuts down the filming time. So let me know what you guys think about that. Sorry, yeah. I use PicMonkey to do my thumbnails. Yeah, and when I joined PicMonkey, sorry, PICMONKEY, PicMonkey. When I joined it, you didn't have to pay for nothing. It was free, but everybody and their mama was on YouTube talking about how you can do what do you call it now? Lord Jesus Christ, let me see if you're worthy. Showing us how we can do this or thumbnails. And PicMonkey was like, babe, bro, we going viral. I'm about to get this bag, honey. And then they started charging. So it is what it is. Some people, by now, people have other methods, but I use PicMonkey. That I grew up use, so that I'm going to continue use, and I'm very accustomed to it as well. Oh, I did a cut crease. Okay, so I used LA Pro Primer in nude. I use the nude a lot. I have the nude and the black. Let's just be clear. I don't have the white. If I had the white, I would use the white because I feel like the white will make the colors pop even more. But anything that is light, it can be used as a base for your colors to pop, and also so that your eyeshadow doesn't crease. I do realize that my eyeshadows do not crease whenever I use this, the LA Pro Primer in nude. It doesn't crease, but that's because of how I applied it. So now applying it, a little goes a long way with this product, and also I like to blend up with my fingers as well as with a brush, just to ensure that there are no creases at all in the actual base, so that it would end up creasing my eyeshadow, if that makes sense. So this is going to be a full cut crease video. No wonder it's 20 something minutes. It's a cut crease. Whenever doing cut crease, it's a lot of blending and a lot of matching up the one eye to the next, you know what I mean? So wow, that is a lot. I can imagine. Foundation, full coverage. Okay. Oh no, this is eyes. Oh Lord. Lord have mercy. Guys, I feel like you guys are just here not doing nothing. We have a lot more minutes left to go, and I have nothing to say to you guys, and I have no music to play for you. And I can't even play anything because they're gonna demonetize my video, and nobody wants the monetization. Now do it. No, we do not. Sheesh. Oh Lord have mercy. I don't know what to say. What do you guys want me to talk about? I don't know. But eyeshadow part 3. Oh, this is part 3. Okay. Part 3. But I need some Lasco. I need to get eggnog. Okay, I know those aren't the lyrics, but when you watch a lot of TikTok, that's what happens there. You forget life and reality itself. By the way, it's about life and reality. Have you guys watched is it Into the Woods? This new Hansel and Gretel cartoon, and it tells you like the real story, but it's like a cartoon. That shit is so dark. I've watched it 3 times already. That shit is, and I've introduced it to Jonathan. That shit is so dark, bro. I mean, they show you hell, they show you death, they show you everything, my guy. It's ridiculously dark. Oh, I love this look. This look is really, really nice. It's one of my favorite looks. I like how the colors blend. I like how it looks. Oh my god, I love it. I love the purple. And then what I'm going to do is I think off camera I went ahead and wet up another brush. I think it's the same brush, and went over the purple. Look at how gorgeous that is, my guy. Bro, that shit's so neat. Yes, girl. Yeah, gal. right this share full coverage foundation. 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 Guys, I have nothing to say. I'm sorry. You're hearing my annoying voice. You have 10 more minutes of listening to my annoying voice. I wish I could stop it. I wish I could like tell a story or something. But I don't know what story to tell you. Boss in the City. Okay. So Boss in the City official is, I don't know if I said this to you guys here on YouTube, but I am filming a reality series where it's like a day in the life of I go to meetings, I go get different services done, and yeah, so it's called Boss in the City. Their YouTube channel is Boss in the City TV, and their Instagram is Boss in the City official. Yeah, so Boss in the City official for Instagram and Boss in the City TV here on YouTube. I will link them in the description below, so you guys can just open up the description box and just click and follow. I also let you know that Simone sent you, aka Lyric. We're going to be premiering on the 30th of October on YouTube, I believe, the 3rd of October. So if you're on, if you're already subscribed to them, Boss in the City TV here on YouTube, then obviously you're going to be notified. Look at that blend. Oh my god, I love it so much. Like when the purple going on top of the bruh, I love how I just allow me to be me when I doing my makeup, isn't me? It just this isn't something that you see every single day, and it is so unusual, and I don't know why it's still unusual. This has I've been doing colored brows, glitter brows for absolute years. The fact that this kind of eye makeup look is still jaw-dropping to people is surprising to me. Like this is literally every day, and because I'm an artist as well, like I do makeup, so these looks, these are what I go for rather than the traditional more subdued more society accepted looks. I don't like doing those. I love to push boundaries where makeup is concerned, and just naturally. I mean, the Bible says that we're peculiar. I don't like to be normal, and I definitely like to be predictable, isn't me? But me being me is not me going out of my way so that I'm difficult to deal with or hard to understand. It's just a preference of mine. I do not like doing what other people are doing. I'd much rather go against the grain. I'd much rather find another way, find an alternative, and then have that be a route. Pioneer that, let that be a route, so that people can understand that they do have choices. Because sometimes, oh, I'm just blabbering now, but sometimes I feel like we think that choice was taken from us, and it has not been taken from us. There is like absolute power in our unity and in our voices. I ain't gonna go no more. Y'all gonna make me like talk, and I'm finna sue or say. So I would usually put black on my lower lash line. This time I chose not to put black on my lower lash line. Instead, I chose to put the nude. Now, what this is gonna do is that them colors pop bright as ever, bright as ever. If I had used the black, the darker tones would have come out, and so the vibrancy would have been eliminated. It wouldn't be so bright, you know. It would bring out more the darker tones. I hope that makes sense. Or the lighter colors would just completely be washed out by the dark color, which is the black base that's underneath. So by putting a white base or a light colored base, like, it works better. The colors, ooh, look at that side profile for my eyes. It's so nice. Ooh, I love it. The orange, the blue, the purple, the greens. Yes, ma'am. Yes. I love how it looks. So I'm just going to, yeah. And then I went over this green with a lighter color green because this green was coming off way too dark for me. And as you can see, I'm both kind of patting it in and kind of rubbing it in. All of this causing debris to go in my eyes. I see that on my eyeball. I'm just letting you know that is what I deal with every single day. I've gotten used to it. That's a good thing or a bad thing, I do not know. But I've gotten used to the dust in my eyes. So when it happens, I'm like, whoop, oopsie daisy. I have nothing to say. 6 more minutes, you guys. 6 more minutes of me rambling, just talking. I mean, not bad. I was wondering why this eye makeup was so long. It should have been like probably 8 minutes at most. But it's a cut crease, and it's a multicolored cut crease. See, I told you guys I added a lighter color green so that green can pop some more. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Guys, blend it. Ooh. Cleaning off the brush. Cleaning off the brush, then going back in. Oh, this is so random. Whoa. Okay, so I'm going with a purple. As you can see, I'm just kind of rubbing it on. You know what I mean? I should have probably gotten the brush that I used to apply the blue on the lid. Something like a little bit smaller and to just like pat it in instead of like. But that works too, you know? I'm wondering if I added like a pink. Ooh, girl. Sing. Gone now. If I added a pink or what, that was just a purple. Look at my eyes. Yes, girl. Wow. I don't in my belly. I don't know which song I was vibing to. This song this day I just had YouTube just play songs and I was just getting ready for you guys. This was an amazing day. I don't have my ring lighters yet, but at this time it was almost like a little bit after 7 in the morning, and I was like, wow, for me to get this really good lighting, I'm going to have to record that early because I don't have my ring lighters yet. Putting my lashes on. I do not remember who I got these lashes from. I know they are old. These lashes are over 2 months old. These lashes are old, my boy. But you got to see it through, my boy. I joke, that doesn't apply, but but yeah, I remember who. Okay, lashes old as shit, but they look good though. Right, so either man I see them red poison and sport. I don't know. You guys probably can't hear. You probably cannot hear that. Oh, I love my eye makeup. It just, it's just so nice and bright, and it fits my brows. It matches my brows. It's amazing. Oh, guys, we have 4 more minutes. We're almost at the end. I'm just as relieved as you guys are, but I'm glad that you guys stuck around if you're still here. Can you imagine I spoke for 20 minutes with absolutely nothing to talk about? I mean, there's so much things I could talk about, but you know, today I woke up and did not choose violence. Just blending that in, feathering it off. Yeah, yeah, that has way more, so I just pushing that away. And then what's left, I just push it into my skin. And look at that. Guys, everything has come together. The brows, the foundation, the eye look, everything. Yes. Oh, I love it. I should have done like a reverse wing, low lash line wing. I should have done that. That would have been absolute fire. That would have been boss. But next time, if I feel like. But just looking back, I said that I should have done. But next time, maybe. Maybe, baby. Maybe, baby, maybe, baby. Oh my goodness, you guys, 2 more minutes. I'm so proud of myself. Now I'm going to be doing my lips. And for my lips, I'm going to be using Gael Cosmetics. Oh no, this is the purple that I used. This is the purple that I used. I had gotten it wet. And I just going on top of the purple so the purple can come out a little bit more vibrant. That's basically what we're doing. What I did, rather. And feathering it over. Guys, we're almost done. Also for my what am I telling you? Not the same thing. I do the same thing I do. Nothing different. Sorry guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I'm going for blush. I'm adjusting and going for blush. Here we go. This is what I do for blush. I use eyeshadow for blush, and I use eyeshadow for my strobing or highlight or whatever you want to call it. Look at how come on now. I love it. Oh, I love this look. It's so rich. I love how the colors pop, and I'm so glad I recorded. I'm so glad I recorded this look. Oh, I was saying for my lips, I'm going to be using Guile Cosmetics OL lip gloss. And for around the lips, I'm going to be using LA Girl lip liner in brown. No, La Princesa, I think it's called. La Princesa lip liner in brown. But any brown lip liner can do. But I like this kind of brown. I like more of a warm brown. Warm mean kind of unlike a red side, but not really. Can you guys tell what I mean by warm? I don't know if it makes sense, but This is the look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you if you've been following this 3-part series since part 1. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Gone, girl. Work it. Work it. Look up. Show the lower world lash line. You want to look down and show them what it looks? Yeah, yes, girl. No filter, honey. No filter. Parts 1, 2, and 3. That's on my mama. None of these videos had no filter. Follow me on TikTok, LyricRochester. Follow me on Instagram, LyricRochester, and here on YouTube. Subscribe, follow, comment, share the videos, share my content. Oh, you better sing, Lyric. Yes, good. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for your support, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.